Hi everybody, it's Mike Andrews, Landmark Group of Compass. Today we're here at Beachwalk in the hammock. This is a really nice part of town. A half a mile to the ocean, right down the street, no turn. So behind me is the community, and just over there is Jungle Hut Road, which is the Jungle Hut Park. They've got a bunch of parking, showers, and so forth. Really great little spot. This neighborhood has 50 home sites. Some are on preserves, some are on the lakes. It's only $50 a month for the HOA, includes the general maintenance of the neighborhood, the lakes and so forth. What's great about this neighborhood, it's boutique, only 50 homes like I said, and the prices are in the high fives to mid sixes. So really nice homes, all of them are 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and plus. Many more are like 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, all have 2-car garages. Just a great little neighborhood here in the hammock. So biking trails all over the place. Right across the street is a 20-acre preserve where you can go running and jogging, bring your bikes, just hang out. So it's a really just unique little spot here in the hammock of Palm Coast. Also right down the road off of A1A, bunch of shops, bunch of new restaurants. So this area's really grown a lot over the last 10 years. Great little unique spot. All the homes here are pre-construction, so again, 50 home sites, 20 of which have been sold and the homes have been built. There's 8 today that are being released, and the balance will come as those 8 get sold out. So this neighborhood will be sold out at the end of 2023. So act now, give me a call with any questions. Mike Andrews, Landmark Group of Compass.